Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be presenting the Mini Cordless Chainsaw and showing you what's inside. The chain tension is adjusted by loosening the plastic nut and using a screwdriver to tighten the screw located on the side of the blade. Important, when replacing the chain, be mindful of the direction of the teeth. To avoid mistakes, check the cutting tooth diagram on the chainsaw's body, which shows the correct position. This tool is perfect for quickly cutting branches in gardens, yards, or forests. It is more efficient, lighter, durable, and can be easily used by beginners, women and seniors. The 6-inch mini chainsaw is equipped with an oil tank for automatic lubrication, reducing friction during use. This is the hole through which the oil is released to lubricate the chain. You can find this product below in the description. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Here is the gear reducer. As you can see, there is some grease around the edge. For those who disassemble it, it is recommended to add more grease. The battery is a 21-volt lithium-ion. However, upon opening, you'll find the batteries are rated at only 1500 milliamps, which is quite low. With such low power, you won't get much performance. I suggest looking for a battery with a capacity of 3 or 4 amps for better efficiency. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.